In today's video, we are going to talk about mechanical keyboards. So if you are a little bit of a hobbyist yourself or ever wanted to buy a mechanical keyboard for your setup, you must have came across this thing called mechanical keyboards. If you search online, there are loads of people who are going crazy around them, and there are literal communities around such a lifeless piece of commodity. Why would someone even bother? So let's talk about them. So this is my beast of a PC with Ryzen 5 56 Ryzen 5 5600G and RTX 3060 GPU, and on this we are rendering an animation. And the challenge for today's video is we got to finish recording this video before this animation renders out. So let's go. We are on frame 34. First, let's go over the minor benefits that you get, like deeper key travel, good sound, good for touch typing, separate switches from PCB. Now coming to the major stuff. Sure, having a mechanical key and pressing it and getting a tactile feedback helps a lot. But the fact that you can change the key switches, the keycaps, the look of your keyboard as a whole, or the feel of it, it's an emotion. Basically, you can customize your keyboard from looks, sound, feel, and whatever. And this little satisfaction of owning something special and unique built custom to you and is not available for like $20 on the Amazon store to anyone is a unique feeling, and this makes this hobby an hobby. And there are specific channels built on YouTube for modding keyboards, and we are going to do the same for today. There are a lot of mods to do on a keyboard, and today we are going to do the same for my little keyboard. Yes, I have this one since 1 year and I haven't modified it at all, except these stickers which I used to hide the ugly logo Cosmic Byte. Yeah, this is the Cosmic Byte CBGK18. Alright, now let's get modding. As of now, I don't have anything to keep the keycaps, so I will be keeping them in this. Also, I don't have something to remove them. Ideally, you will want a keycap puller, but I don't have it. So, and it's going to be a pain in the abs. I mean, hands. Alright, more than half of our animation has been rendered, and I have just pulled the keycaps apart. Now I need to quickly do the mods. So look at this masterpiece. It took like 1 year to be able to collect this much of dust. Like, this is perfection. Piece of art. Alright, so this is the before. And this is the after. So GPU has been on like 100% for majority of the time, and I can feel the warmth. Can you? Guys, I was just keeping this stand there, and this cable moved a bit and the whole piece is down, so I will have to restart rendering the animation from the middle. So now, as of our first mod, we are going to be applying some tape on the back of this PCB. So what this will essentially do is add some thickness to the back of the keys. So when we press the keys, there will be a more bassier sound when they are pressed. So that's what it's supposed to mean. Let's see if it works. So now we are going to clean the keys also. Well, there has been an oversight on everything from my side. The keycaps will need to be dried, and the animation which I rendered was a bit wrong, so I am re-rendering it. So everything is wrong. Alright, so after all, the video was a success. Like, the keyboard is more thockier, and that's the thing about mechanical keyboards, that you can customize them to your own will. And the challenge that we did about the animation render, everything got messed up as I rendered the wrong thing and the PC closed, and when I opened it, then I rendered the wrong thing again, etc, etc. So I am crackhead. But after all, if you like the video, do whatever you want. I don't care. I won't post regularly. And yeah, that's it. Bye.